Well, hello and welcome back. Now I think I've lost my misogyn Ayia Napa. We're across to the Da Vinci restaurant. That's the Napa Star. That's a rather nice looking clothes shop. Ah, that's Ayia Napa, the most beautiful woman in the world.
Hello everybody, how nice to see you again and again.
And again, so stick with us. We are carving up the Ayia Napa strip. And it's a very, very big strip indeed. So it's going to be video after video after video. So please, please keep on coming back because there's a lot to see.
Ayia Napa. All the shops here is open.
Every single shop is open. It's like a proper shopping centre. Uh-oh, Ayia Napa has found something. No, don't go in, Gracievi. Don't go in. Please, please. I've got no money. Come on, Ayia Napa. Right, Ayia Napa strip. Slowly but surely, we's are carving it up. Where are we now? This is Tommy's Pub. How do we know that? Because it says Tommy's Pub. So that means it's Tommy's Pub. It does great food, and across the road to that is the farmer's traditional taverna. And then on the court, there's all sorts of food going on in Tommy's. There is. Let's go and have a look. We've got quite a well-lit menu outside. You can get a very nice English breakfast for €5. You've got a village salad for €7. A chicken salad, which is becoming our favourite because we's getting a bit fat. Got Tommy's special, a seafood salad, a tuna salad, and as you can see, there's an awful lot more food going on in there as well. Chicken fillet, salmon fillet, king prawns, fried calamari, sea bass, fish platter, mixed grill, my God. And on top of all that, you can top it off with a nice banana split or a lava cupcake. It doesn't get
and I would say
much
the
better
prices are
than
not
that.
very expensive.
Very, very reasonable indeed. We have noticed when you come to the strip, the prices they don't half drop, that's for sure. In the harbour area, as tradition is, the prices are through the roof. But when you get to the actual strip, there's a lot more competition for your money, that's for sure. And that's Tommy's. Obviously a great sports terrace indeed, and a very, very popular bar indeed. Across the road, we've got quite a good coffee shop. And it's called Gloria Jean's Coffee Shop, and that's the way that we're going to go. Straight up that road. Right, come on, Ayia Napa. We haven't got time into waiting for these little red men and green men flashing at us. No one would dare to run us over. One, we're foreigners, and two, we're Marika and me.
Exactly. And I can steal that.
And we can steal that and get away with it as well. I know the mayor. His name's Yanis, and he's promised me he will give me the keys to the city of Ayia Napa. Well, we understand he's a very good liar, but you never know.
Yeah, I don't think so.
Uh-oh. Oh, no. Oh, no. This is a clothes shop that we came to in a previous video, and Ayia Napa remembered the name, Hobnob. There we are. That's the rear end of Ayia Napa, and she's looking, well, very flirtatious. Yes?
I'll let you live for one more night.
There we are. Look at that for a rear end, and that for a rear end, and that for a rear end. There we are. What have we got? Top Cat, the Pink Panther, and Mickey, and on top of all that, watching Ayia Napa. So where are we? Well, we're outside this little place, and it's called Magic World. Authentic cartoon collections. So if you want something very, very special to commemorate your holiday in downtown Ayia Napa, well, this could be that place for you to come. As time goes on, we're going to befriend quite a few of these businesses, and then we're going to invade their privacy, and we're going to take you with us, and we're going to make very, very special videos for them, for you, of course, for us. So, where are we? Just across the road. To give you a bearing, there he is, Colonel Sanders, KFC. Finger looking good, Kentucky Fried Chicken. And then just across the road over there, again, a very, very famous brand, Pizza Hut. Possibly the greatest pizza in the world, although Domino's and Pizza Hut are having a bit of a fight over that one. Sometimes I like Pizza Hut, and sometimes I like Domino's. Gracievi?
You know, Mr. Paul, I would like to say the roads and the streets are so good looked after. It's so clean around here that you want to come here again and again.
And again, and yet again, Grazivia LaBouffe took the perfect timing to stop outside a clothes shop. There we are. And she's seen herself a rosebud jacket. What's it called, this shop? Well, it's called Glamorous. There we are. Grazivia LaBouffe, come on. We've got a lot more strip to go.
I don't like it.
Let's keep going that away. Stick with us. We're not stopping at that shop. No chance. That shop is a diamond shop. That's the Carrots, and we ain't stopping there. That's for sure. There is Pete. Yes, Chrissy.
The Carrots every year does 50% discount.
Does it?
On the Christmas.
Well, we'll come in 2 years then, and that'll be 100% discount. That's for sure. Right, where are we now? We are coming very, very close to the Ayia Napa Plaza. Yes, one of the best hotels in downtown Ayia Napa, which is why it's called the Plaza. Very, very posh hotel indeed. And what they've got at their front of house is a couple of restaurants. Yes, Chrissy?
Show the ice cream.
Oh, Grazivia LaBouffe wants to see the ice creams. There we are. Look at that. Doesn't get much better.
Look at this colour.
Look at the colours. Look at the vibrancy of the colours. Absolutely spectacular ice cream. And you can get a crate. Yes, Grazivia LaBouffe. What have you seen? Is that a cheesecake of some description? Look at that. That's some very, very nice ice cream indeed. On the way back, I'll treat her to a portion. At the moment, it's a bit too busy. So let's keep going. As I promised you, we are at the entrance to the Napa Plaza. So you mosey on down there and you get to the main reception, and their front of house, they've got a couple of restaurants. The first one on the block is called Sale and Pep. There we are. A very, very good restaurant indeed. Sale and Pepper. There we are. And then just over here, they've got another one, and that's called the Central Cafe. So this is all along the front of the downtown Ayia Napa Plaza. Look at that. That's a Tex-Mex restaurant over there, and it's called the Los Americanos. And it looks very, very busy. It does. Very, very colourful indeed. So this is the front of house of the Napa Plaza. Have a look at that. Great, great restaurant. And you can see they're getting ready for Halloween, because as I told you, we are right at the end of October. And as tradition goes, not only do the clocks change, but on top of the clocks changing, we have Halloween. So there we are. Grazivia LaBouffe is trying to steal something and turn herself into a pumpkin. There we go. So it's a Halloween themed night tonight. Grazivia LaBouffe, get your rear end up that way. There we go. Doesn't get much better than that. The dancing pony Tchotchke girl dancing her way up the Ayia Napa strip. There we are. Now, do you remember that restaurant, Grazivia LaBouffe? That one over there. Clarabella restaurant. Very, very nice restaurant indeed. And that's where we went for our din-dins last month. Do you remember?
Yes.
Now, have you seen that restaurant upstairs? Now that looks nice, doesn't it? I think it says Fiji restaurant. So that's the Fiji restaurant.
What does it mean?
Well, I think it's a name of a place, isn't it? I think it's in Hawaii or something like that. I'm sure Ian will Google it and tell me I'm not that educated. I'm just an idiot in a pair of sunglasses and a blue hat who happens to have got very, very lucky indeed and got himself
How can you see like that?
the most beautiful woman in the world.
dark,
I've got cat's eyes, Grazivia LaBouffe. Stick with us. Over there, Burger King. There's a bit of a dispute between most people and Burger King and McDonald's as to who produces the best burger. I would say it's probably Burger King, but when it comes to the ice cream, hats off to Mr. McDonald's, and the same with the chips. Hats off to Mr. McDonald. Grazivia LaBouffe is dancing again. Just in case you don't know where we are, well, I'm pretty sure that that sign says Ayia Napa, and that is watching Grazivia LaBouffe, and she's standing by the sign, and that is her rear end. Hold on a second, just let me just check. Yeah, that is Ochin Gracida rear end. There we are. Right.
And I would like to tell you, many thanks for watching. Stay with us and we're gonna show you the most exciting parts of the island, and not only the island. If you stay with us, you're gonna see the things that nobody else can show you, and accept that we are loving you to bits. And please don't forget to come and see another of our mattresses. Many kisses and many thanks again and again.
All that's left for me to say is thanks for watching, and if you like what you see, hit the like, click subscribe, and please come back for that little bit more of our madness. That is Ochin Gracida LaBouffe, the star of Ayia Napa, that's for sure. Don't forget to come back for the next one, because we're going to be storming the Ayia Napa strip yet again. Thanks for watching.